Hello, the topic today is sending and receiving documents to your messaging CRM. And so we're already under contacts, under the chat view, where we've already shown in some previous videos that you can text out and you can email out to customers. Well, with those texts and emails, you can also attach documents and send them out. And if you text a customer, if they respond to that text, or if you email a customer, if they respond to that email, that information will come directly back to this record. So down here in the messages, you can see where I sent out a message that said, can you send me a picture? And then this actually went to my number and I took a picture of my computer and sent it back. And it came directly back to this record. So it doesn't matter if you're managing a deal, if you're managing a service order, if you're just communicating with a customer and selling with some other product or service. It doesn't matter. You can send and receive information directly to these contacts and it will come directly into this record. So if you need to collect stipulations for legal documents such as insurance cards, driver's licenses, etc., payroll stubs, whatever it is, it can come directly to this record. And then there's also a tab here called attachments. And with that, anything you've sent will be here. Like for instance, here's some service orders and receipts. Also, here's the picture that came back in, which was a stipulation. But anything I've added, anything I've sent, anything I've received will be under this contacts attachment record. So it's very powerful and it's really a modern way to send and receive information and keep it in a high quality manner. Thank you so much.